Hi, my name is Alyssa. I'm a physical therapist here at Dalton Physical Therapy in Hudson, Wisconsin. I'm going to take a few minutes here to tell you a little bit about how to safely load and unload a laundry machine here using good body mechanics to protect your back. So first off, carrying a laundry basket, you want to make sure that you are using your core and that you're rotating, moving it with your feet so that you're not twisting at your spine. As I lower the basket to the ground here, I'm making sure that my spine is neutral. So I'm using my hips instead of my back. As I open the door here to unload, note that I'm not twisting my body back and forth. I'm going to kneel down here to protect my back, taking the clothes out. And then again, using my hips, keeping my back nice and neutral. And then as I go up to the dryer here, putting the clothes in, making sure that I'm not hunched forward, but I'm keeping my back nice and neutral the whole time. So takeaways, just remember to keep your spine neutral, use your hips, hinging at the hips to keep that back nice and protected, and move those feet instead of twisting from the spine. Thank you.